So let's see that how you can update or change the bio in the Threads app. You may have recently installed the Threads app, which was launched by Instagram, and now you don't know the basic features of it. So let's see that how you can change the bio. First of all, you have to open the Threads app, and next you have to go to your profile by tapping on the button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, for updating the bio, you have two options here. The first one is you can import your bio from Instagram, means the bio that you have written on your Instagram account will be fetched or imported from there, and your Threads bio will become the same. And the second option is you can write a new bio on your Threads account, which will be different from the Instagram bio. So for that purpose, you have to first of all tap the edit profile button, and the second option here in this list is bio. So tap on it. And if you tap on this button, import bio from Instagram, then your bio from Instagram will be imported and your Threads and Instagram bio will become same. But if you want to write the specific or different bio, you can write the one from here. For example, hello, I am here. And just press the done button and your Threads bio will be changed and you can see it here. So that's how you do it. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.